This is a 2017 Chevy Corvette Stingray. Bright yellow paint. Has less than 10,000 miles on it. It's got the yellow calipers, black rims. We'll put all the specs in the comment section with the photos. This will just be a condition walk around. I'll go through and nitpick a few things, but just starting off with, it's a 9,500 mile car. It's in really good condition. First thing really common is little plastic rain guards on the bottom. Being how low the car is, they just kind of get ripped off. So that will need to be replaced. Some people just rip them off completely. That's kind of up to you. But looking at the front bumper though, the lip so far looks pretty good. A lot of these are just bugs and stuff, so they'll come off. Looks like just a little bit of curb rash here in the corner. That's the passenger side. From a distance, not too noticeable. Just a little bit though right there. Got a couple rock chips here. That side looks good. Got 2 rock chips there, 1 up here. That looks about it, just those 3 there. I don't notice really anything on the hood. If I missed something, I apologize. I'm just kind of going through this. Front left wheel looks great. Get a little tread there. It looks like got a lot of tread left. I mean, these tires don't, from the factory, get very many miles on them in general, but the side skirt going down it looks good. The mirror, just a little rock chip, couple little ones. That one's just a little dirt. Got a couple here. It's got the yellow roof. Back left wheel looks good. No curb rash that I can see. Quarter panel, back bumper, clean. Exhaust tips, nice and polished. My understanding, this car is bone stock, nothing done to it. Nice little quarter panel. Looks good. It's got the little clear bra there. Just some bugs, it looks like. Looks good, looks good. Just a little dirt. And with this mirror, just some bugs. Possibly a small rock chip. There's just 1 or 2 maybe, if that, on that mirror. Let's look at the rim here. Back right rim looks good. I don't see any curb rash. Front right rim looks good. Don't see anything on that. Just a little dirty, got some tire shine left over on it. So really, just that front chin splitter, the rubber piece, and then that little plastic part. Just a couple little rock chips. Other than that, so far looking good. Hopping on the inside. This is a non-smoker. Let me get the AC going here. So you do got your backup camera. This has built-in navigation. And it's got the performance data recorder. Put the screen down, you got a little cubby hole back there. it is. Push button start. Let's get this in here. 9,500 miles, 9,574. It's got the dual zone climate control. This is an automatic. Got your mode selector, parking brake, little 12-volt port. There's your cruise control, your favorites, Bluetooth. There's a paddle shifter, so you can see the little paddle shifters there. Got the power adjustable windows. Looking up top, you got your OnStar. Looking on the door, looking good. Power windows, Bose audio. Don't see any really damage from the kick plate, you know. There are a few little scuffs here on the door sill. I think that's just something that will come off. There's just a real small one across there, but other than that, it looks really good. That's just a little rubber from a shoe probably, so that little section looks really good. You can see it's got the black leather. Inside looks great. Let's look at the bolster. A little wear on the corner there, no big deal. Probably can do a little leather condition touch up. You see interior guys can get that fixed up pretty good if it bugs you. Pop the engine bay here. And we're also gonna look in the trunk. This is the battery, rechargeable battery jumper thing, I believe. Like the trickle charge thing. Soft close hatch. There you go. It's about 100 degrees outside, so that's why it's a little loud. Fan's kicking in there. So there we go. If you have any questions, give them a call.